Hi guys, in today's video I would like to show you how you can change your currency on Bybit. First of all, you want to open your Bybit. Once you open it, then you go to the P2P trading section. If you don't see it on your home page, you can click on more here. It will bring you to the other available options. Then you can search for P2P trading here. Once you are there, then you see the icon that shows currencies here. As you can see, in my own case, I'm having NGN. So if you want to change from Naira to other currency, just click on NGN, then search for the currency you want to do here. Let's say I'm searching for USD, then I'll click on USD. Now my currency has successfully changed from Naira to USD. If I want to change it back to Naira, I can just click on it and then see NGN. So I've switched back to Naira again. The advantage of this is that you may want to compare rates in other currency or check what people are buying or what they are selling in other currency, or for some other purpose that I wouldn't know. That's just how to change your currency on Bybit. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.